At the beginning of September, our large pneumatic fenders had been loaded and successfully transported to South America. Its size is diameter 4.5 mxl6. 4 meters with 80 kPa pressure. Considering safe transportation, the pneumatic fenders must be loaded by special containers. Meanwhile, also think about reasonable costs for our clients. Installation ways of the pneumatic fenders are different according to different projects. The installation of pneumatic fenders on the tanker can effectively prevent the hull from colliding with others, preventing oil leakage and environmental pollution. According to the ISO 17357-1-2014 standard, our pneumatic fenders are equipped with safety valves, which will automatically release the inner pressure when the pressure reaches 230 kPa to avoid accidents. Pneumatic fenders of Nanjing Deers are easy to be installed and maintained and used for large ports, ship-to-ship STS, tankers, LNG or PNG, vessels, etc., which can protect the hull as well. Usually, chain nets with car tires, truck tires, or airplane tires can better protect the body of pneumatic fenders to extend its service lifetime. At present, the vessel with our pneumatic fenders is sailing at sea and will be used upon reaching to our client after 1 month.